So, this is our infographic. Our topic is Norwegian coastal communities. So, to start, a maritime legacy of Norwegian. So, the location and time period. The location is that Norway has about 25 kilometers of coastline. It has many deeps, fjords, and it's close to North Atlantic Ocean. The warm ocean current helps keep the sea from freezing. Because of this, many communities develop near the coast. From early times, the sea has been very important to Norwegian life. So next is the historical and cultural highlights. The Viking expansion. The Viking expansion is during the Viking Age. Around 800 to 1050, the Vikings became skilled sailors. They built strong and fast longships. The ships allowed them to travel the Iceland, Greenland, and North America. Sea travels became part of their culture and identity. So second is the oil boom. The oil boom is in the 1960s. Oil wells developed in North Sea. This changed Norway's economy. The country Norway moved from mainly fishing and becoming a major oil and energy producer. Even so, the Norway keep its tradition of fishing and shipbuilding. The next is the maritime mastery and economics of the region. The longship and the silver of the sea. The Vikings were expert in building ships. Their longships could sail in rivers and across the oceans. For many years, good fishing was a main source of their income. Today, the Norway is also a wood leader in salmon farming and the global shipping. So next is their challenges and adaptations. The Arctic environment, the modern adaptation. The challenges and the adaptation. The Arctic environment is very challenging. There are strong storms, cold weather, limited farmland. Because of this, Norwegian learned to adapt. They improve ship technology and navigation skills. Today, Norway promotes green shipping and strict fishing. So next is the social organization. So they talk about the then and now. The clan-based hierarchy led by chief states where jackals were wartime skill directed social status. Then now the Norwegian is highly organized via fishing cooperatives and global shipping unions, maintaining a culture where the sea remains the primary source of their national identity. Next is their legacy and relevance today. Sustainable and stewardship. Norway provides the global blueprint for balancing industrial growth. We talk about the oil and gas. No environmental protection. So the conclusion about this is a society that proves a maritime success is built on the ability to respect the ocean's power, relentlessly innovating its technology.